Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up automated email drip campaigns in Pipedrive. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to nurture leads automatically by sending timed email sequences without manual effort, helping you stay engaged with prospects throughout your sales process. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to pipedrive.com. Once you've logged into your Pipedrive account, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation menu. Click on the three dots icon which will reveal additional options. From this menu, click on Automations. This is where all your workflow automation magic happens, and it's the foundation for building your drip campaign. Now that you're in the Automations section, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Automation. Click on it to start creating a new automation from scratch. This opens up the Automation Builder where you'll configure the trigger and actions for your email sequence. The first thing you need to set up is the trigger that starts your automation. Click on Event Trigger. This determines what action will kick off your email drip campaign. In the Select Item drop-down, choose Deals. This means the automation will activate when something happens to a deal in your pipeline. Under the Event section, click Added, which means the automation will trigger whenever a new deal is created. Once you've configured this, click Apply Trigger to lock in your settings. Now it's time to add the first action in your sequence. Click on Action, then select Email, followed by Send Email using Template and click Next. This step allows you to send an initial email to your contact as soon as the deal is added. Choose the field you want to personalize in your email, such as the contact's name or company. Personalizing emails increases engagement and makes your outreach feel more human. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Now you'll need to fill in the TE field with the appropriate recipient. Then choose an email template from your existing templates. Under Email Template Person, select from the options provided to ensure the email is sent to the correct contact associated with the deal. When everything looks good, click Apply Action. Next, you'll want to add a delay before sending your follow-up email. Click Delay, then set the time frame to 3 days or adjust it based on your sales cycle and how quickly you want to follow up. This spacing is crucial because it gives your prospect time to digest the first email without overwhelming them. Click Apply Delay to confirm. Now let's add the second email in your sequence. Click Action again, then Email, followed by Send Follow-up Email and click Next. Check the field you want to include in this email to keep it personalized and relevant. Click Next once you're satisfied with your selections. Fill in the reply to email field so responses come directly to you or your sales team. Then craft a body message for your follow-up email. This should build on your first email, perhaps offering additional value, answering common questions, or gently nudging toward a call or demo. Once your message is ready, click Apply Action. Here's where the real power comes in. You can repeat these steps to add as many delays and emails as your drip campaign requires. Maybe you want to send a third email after 5 more days or a final check-in after a week. Simply add another delay and another email action following the same process. Tailor the sequence to match your sales strategy and the typical buyer journey for your prospects. Once you've built out your complete email drip sequence, click Save. Before your automation goes live, make sure to activate it so it starts working on new deals immediately. Your automated email drip campaign is now set up and ready to nurture leads on autopilot. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.